Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi are upset over Congress leaders speaking out of turn on Pahalgam. Congress is issuing almost now, any time, a statement regarding the same. These leaders have spoken on Pahalgam issue, saying that this was not the party's stand. Why speak out of turn and send out the wrong message? And that's the reason why the Congress president, Mallikarjun Kharge, is upset, and so is Rahul Gandhi, the former president of the party. Both leaders have been upset about the fact there have been several controversial statements made by Congress leader, one from Maharashtra, who spoke about the fact that there was no religious profiling. Another one from Karnataka said the same. From Jammu and Kashmir, Saifuddin Soos has spoken about the fact that we do not support the fact that India has put the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance and that this is the lifeline for Pakistan. Also spoke about the fact that we should trust Pakistan when they say that they aren't behind this terror attack. That's what Saifuddin Soos said. What we're learning is that the top leadership is upset with the kind of statements that are being made. They've already issued a gag order saying that we have said what we've had to in the Pahalgam matter and that nobody should be speaking out of turn. Our reporter is telling us that the leadership, in fact, is upset with a section of Congress leaders making rather controversial statements on the Pahalgam terror attack. Congress leaders have gone to the extent of saying that there was no religious profiling. Maushmi is with us. Maushmi, it's an embarrassing spot that the Congress has found itself in with many of these statements, and that's the reason why the leadership is upset. Maushmi?
And that's right, Sneha. We have learned from our sources that a gag order has been issued. Leaders who have spoken out of turn, out of party line, have been pulled up, and a statement by the Congress party is going to be issued shortly in this regard. Particularly, Rahul Gandhi and Kharge have taken, the Congress president have taken note of the statements, and they have instructed the media department to in fact speak to those leaders. And in fact, at large, the instructions will be that the Congress Working Committee has passed a resolution. We are standing in solidarity in this hour of grief, and nobody should speak. Nobody should speak this separately and take a different stand from what the party's stand is.
Getting in those details, be with us to tell our viewers what's happened right now is that the Congress leaders have been making statements which were controversial in nature and not in line with the position that the Congress as a political party had taken after this attack took place